Welcome to UpKeep's video series. I'm Ryan Chan, your guide and also the CEO and founder of UpKeep. In this episode, we're going to unlock the secrets of reliability engineering. If you're part of a maintenance or operations team, you'll want to stick around as we break down the key roles and responsibilities of reliability engineers and explore the skills needed to succeed in this field. We'll also show you how these engineering superheroes can drive organizational reliability and reduce risks. Reliability engineers are the superheroes of the asset management world. They identify and manage asset reliability risks and work tirelessly to reduce those risks. Their role varies significantly from company to company, but typically, they measure the performance of critical assets, identify root causes for failures, manage related data, and implement maintenance tasks to improve reliability. So, what exactly do reliability engineers do? Their role can be divided into three main areas. Firstly, they work on the elimination of losses. They examine production losses and inspect assets with high maintenance costs. Working with management and operations, they discover the root cause of these losses and create a plan for eliminating them. They focus on the most critical assets and work on improving a predictive and preventive maintenance plan. Secondly, they manage risks. This includes health, safety, and environmental risks, as well as anything that could negatively affect asset capability, product quality, and production capacity. They use tools like failure modes and effects analysis, fault tree analysis, and preliminary hazards analysis. Lastly, they manage lifecycle asset management. They help design, install, and modify assets to minimize the total cost of ownership. They create guidelines for external MRO suppliers, set inspection and review procedures, and evaluate the effectiveness of predictive maintenance initiatives. They also update management on anticipated risks that could cause a negative impact within the organization. Now let's talk about the skills needed to be a successful reliability engineer. The number one skill is the ability to learn. Every asset failure is an opportunity to problem solve. Over time, an organization will gather the data needed to make better and smarter reliability decisions. Other important skills include basic engineering, people skills, statistical modeling and data analysis, material and system modeling and analysis, root cause analysis, business skills, and customer awareness. Let's look at a typical job description of a reliability engineer. They may be a champion of lifecycle asset management, a developer, installer, and commissioner. They serve as a final checkpoint for upholding reliability standards, a creator of asset maintenance plans, and a risk monitor and reporter. Additionally, they act as a problem solver, a production analyzer, and a technical supporter. So how can reliability engineers improve organizational reliability? They can become experts in root cause analysis and use overall equipment effectiveness on critical assets. They drill down to mean time between failures and understand where they are on the reliability journey. They transform technicians into problem solvers, focus on rotating equipment, continuously learn, and review maintenance procedures. Thank you for joining us today. We've covered the key roles, responsibilities, and skills of reliability engineers, and how they can drive organizational reliability and reduce risks. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more insightful content. To learn more about UpKeep and how we can help your maintenance and reliability teams be more successful, visit us at upkeep.com.